From wearable devices to intelligent robots, embedded systems are part of our daily life. For this reason, it's very important we teach it to future engineers. But how can we give hands-on experience to 400 students at once? Our goal was to redesign embedded system into hands-on project-based experience for students. This is an important innovative step for engineering education at ETH. Traditional lectures alone are not enough to prepare the student. Embedded systems require a strong theoretical understanding, but also apply in practice what the student learn in the course.
We bridge the gap between technologies. Our platform enables students from electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and computer science to speak one common technical language and build complex systems as a unified team. We build a modular platform with sensing, processing and actuation capabilities. It is the modular foundation for students to design, build and demonstrate real-world prototypes.
To support this, we developed the first AI teaching assistant at ETH, specifically tailored for embedded systems. It provides 24/7 debugging support to the students, plus by analyzing the prompts, we can identify where they struggle and thus continuously improve the course.
Students don't just take exams. They pitch their project via video and they analyze energy and latency. Those are real-world metrics that truly matter in our industry.
Our model was proven, evaluated for 2 years, and we also piloted it at Ashesi University in Ghana. We are going to scale it up to different courses, large and small, at ETH this year. We are contributing to a new approach in education for future innovators.